I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device is supported and creating a full backup so you can recover if needed. Once done, enroll in the Apple Developer or Public Beta program and download the iOS 26 beta profile to your device. Make sure to use the same Apple ID and follow Apple's install prompts. The profile enables the OTA update. Restart your iPhone after installing the profile so the update server appears in Settings General Software Update. Then proceed when the iOS 26 build. You should connect to reliable Wi-Fi and plug in the charger to avoid power interruptions. Next, tap Download and Install under Software Update. If you prefer a clean install, download the correct iOS 26 IPSWA from your Apple Developer account and use Finder on Mac OS. Click Update or Restore and select the IPSWA. While it downloads and installs, be patient. Do not disconnect the device. Once the device reboots, follow on-screen setup prompts and allow time for background reindexing and app updates to complete. After installation, you'll finish by restoring data or adjusting settings. Sign back into iCloud, update all apps, and verify permissions and battery settings. Make sure things like Face ID and Apple Pay are reconfigured when prompted. If you hit errors, such as stuck on verifying update or boot loops, try removing the beta profile, rebooting and re-enrolling, or perform a DFU restore with the correct IPSWA and then restore your backup. If problems persist, use Finder or iTunes to reinstall and contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.